Welcome to my channel. How to connect your printer to a new Wi-Fi network. Step 1. Turn on your printer. Make sure your printer is powered on and ready. Check that there are no error messages on the display. Step 2. Place the printer near your router. Keep your printer close to the Wi-Fi router during setup to ensure a strong and stable wireless connection. Step 3. Open the printer's wireless settings. On the printer's control panel, go to Settings, Network, or Wireless Settings. The exact menu may vary by printer model. Step 4. Select the new Wi-Fi network. Choose Wi-Fi Setup Wizard or Wireless Setup, then select your new Wi-Fi network, SSID, from the list of available networks. Step 5. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Type in your Wi-Fi password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check your spelling before continuing. Step 6. Confirm the connection. Press OK, Connect, or Done to save the settings. Wait a few moments while the printer connects to the network. Step 7. Check the Wi-Fi status. Look for a solid Wi-Fi light or a confirmation message on the printer's screen to verify that the connection was successful. Step 8. Update the printer on your computer. If your computer cannot find the printer, remove the old printer connection and add it again using the new Wi-Fi network. Step 9. Print a test page. Print a test page to make sure the printer is connected and working properly over the new wireless network. Step 10. Restart devices if needed. If the printer doesn't connect, restart your printer, Wi-Fi router, and computer or mobile device, then try the setup again. Thank you for watching.